Hi guys, what is up? Today I thought I would talk you through my bedroom. There wasn't necessarily anything wrong with it before, but because I joined Instagram and got obsessed with colours and murals, I think I went a bit too far. So I thought I would show you how it was before. So these are all before shots, and then I'll show you how I transformed it. So as you can see, there was a ton of colour, a lot of murals. Every piece of furniture was painted a different colour, and it was quite dark actually. So you can see it got really messy towards the end because I just, when I don't like my room, I let it go to the dogs basically. So here is me painting the mural that used to be on in my room, which I did really like, but again it was too busy. You'll see that later on I changed that circle to like a square around my TV to try and hide it, but this just really highlighted it even more. So yeah, I did these stripes. I painted a white layer on first because the grey was so dark. Again, I really don't like grey. I don't know why my room was grey, but yeah, I don't think I really thought about colour much then. But yeah, so then I had all these tester pots and I created this mural with lots of stripes, and it sort of peeled the wall off because I originally used a really cheap paint on this grey wall, which I still haven't fixed by the way. Like, that wall is still really bubbly and gross and terrible. But yeah, this was the mural that I had in my room before I did it up. I thought I'd show you in this video how you can sort of go too far with colour. Like, this would probably be nicer in like a sitting room or something, but it was too busy for me in my bedroom. So I wanted a calmer room, and these colours and this mood board were both chosen, and the different elements in my room all chosen by Adele Roach. Her website is linked below there. She does colour consultations and she's an absolute genius. I've done some of her one of her colour psychology courses. She's very intelligent. She is amazing when it comes to colour, so definitely check that out. So I painted my dressing table this coppery colour. It's Soul KM and it's ticker Taika, and this is the end result of my entire room. This shelf is from Jisk, and I picked up the other bits from charity shops and painted the other paintings myself. Here are just some of the trinkets on the dressing table that I painted, and I just think it looks really good with the other colours of the wardrobe and the walls. And this is sort of like a mini gallery wall I've got by the door. If you saw my other video, I painted my TV so that it sort of matches my gallery wall. I'm super happy with how this turned out. I'm going to show you now how I painted my bedside locker. It's from Jisk. These are the paints I used from Carla Paint Up. They're all left over from my room, and I just mixed some of them together with a few of my other paints in order to get the colours I wanted. So as usual, I'm using little artist paintbrushes I got cheap in Saustrian Green, and I'm using my 2 Fussy Blokes rollers. I did this on a really hot day and I shouldn't have, because it dried way too quickly and it didn't get a really good finish. But in the end it still looks really good. It's just, you can see all my brush strokes and stuff because I painted over layers really quickly. But this was the end result. I'm actually loving the design. It's not really my usual design, but it looks good in my room. So we'll jump back into my room now, and this is the other side of the room, and this is the mural that I did. There is a tutorial on here for that, so if you haven't checked that out, definitely do. The sun is painted in the same pearlescent colour in Soul KM. I also painted my light switch and my door handle, which a lot of people don't realise that you can do, and you can do it just using the appropriate primer. So if it's a metal, use a metal primer. If it's a plastic light switch, then use obviously plastic. And these are my wardrobes that I also painted. These are laminate wardrobes, which you can definitely paint. I have a blog post on how to paint laminate wardrobes. I will also link that below. And yeah, I'm just really happy with the results. It's a super calm room and I love it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you get any inspiration, make sure to tag me at Colourfulsaz. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and subscribe for a weekly video. Thanks so much, guys.